توجیه میان حکومت ملکی پاکستان و حکومت نظامی پاکستان توافق وجود داره، به خاطر از اینکه بارها حکومت ملکی پاکستان از افغانستان حمایت خود اعلام کرده و گفته ما امرایشان همکاری میکنیم، ولی در عمل چون این چیز نبوده. امی سوال است. تشکر.
There is a feeling in Afghanistan, and unfortunately this feeling is deliberately being perpetuated by India, that Pakistan is controlled by the military establishment. All the policies, foreign policies that my government has made have been part of a manifesto. They have been part of a manifesto for the past 25 years. Whatever foreign policy I have had has been part of my party's manifesto. So I always believed that there was no military solution in Afghanistan. I always believed that eventually there will have to be a political settlement in Afghanistan. It's exactly what I have been saying for 15 years, what I've been saying since I've been in government for the last 3 years. The Pakistan Army fully supports the government. I always wanted to have peace with India. The Pakistan Army has fully backed all my initiatives towards India for peace. It's India that refuses to have peace because India today is controlled by the RSS ideology, which is anti-Pakistan and anti-Muslim. And it is shown in what they have done in Kashmir. And if all you have to do is see what happens in India to the Muslims, the cow vigilantes who kill Muslims in the streets never get convicted because they are supposed to have eaten cow. And the suffering which especially Muslims, but also other minorities like Christians, they feel because of this Hindutva, RSS ideology. That is what is coming in the way of us peace with India. But the Pakistan Army has stood by my government in every way. There is no difference.